Welcome, creative minds. I'm David Patent, Assistant Director of Online and Special Programs. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of poster design using PowerPoint, a skill that will make your presentation stand out from the crowd. First things first, let's get your digital canvas ready. When you're making posters, size matters. Head over to the Design tab and click on Slide Size. Choose Custom Slide Size. We're going for 36 inches wide and 24 inches high. Perfect poster dimensions. Now, let's clear the slate. Go to the Home tab, select Slides, choose Layout, and select Blank. Now your canvas is ready. The fun part comes next, bringing your poster to life. Click on the Insert tab and select Text, and choose Text Box. Think big. Use font size 72 or even larger. Choose a clear, easy-to-read font. I'm using Georgia for my poster on reading the poetry of Miklós Radnóti in Hungarian. Remember, your poster isn't meant to tell your entire story. It's a visual support for your presentation. For my Hungarian poetry project, I'm not including every detail about how I learned Hungarian or discovered Radnóti's poetry. Instead, I'm focusing on eye-catching elements. A striking image of Radnóti, with proper citation, of course. Key themes from his poetry, with the source. One of my favorite poems alongside my translation. And an image of a campion flower mentioned in the poem. Finding the perfect balance takes time. Don't rush. Play around with colors, fonts, and images. Try to find color combinations that complement your theme, font styles that match your topic's mood, and image sizes that balance with your text. The ultimate goal? Creating a poster that sparks curiosity and helps your audience connect with you and your fascinating topic. Now, it's your turn to shine. Happy poster making, and remember, creativity has no limits.